Got a stuck small ball valve handle? Reach for the WV100 small ball valve handle wrench. Fits most half-inch to 1-inch ball valve handles. Simply attach to your ratchet and unstick your stuck valve. For those wider ball valve handles, mostly Watts, use the WV106 wide ball valve handle wrench. Fits most half-inch to 1-inch assemblies with those wide handles. For those larger ball valve handles, grab the WV101 large ball valve handle wrench. Fits most 1 1/4 to 2-inch ball valve handles. What if the assembly is missing a handle? No problem. Check out our missing handle wrench options. There's the WV103 small missing handle valve stem wrench. It gets into tight spaces and is great for servicing most residential backflow preventers. Or there's the WV105 universal missing handle valve stem wrench. It has the same options as the WV103 plus additional sizes to cover those larger assemblies you may see. If you need to install or remove test cocks, use the TC100 test cock wrench, which covers the most common sizes out there and saves time messing around with a crescent wrench. We have PV101 plastic ball valve handle wrench, specifically designed to turn those plastic ball valve handles. If you're a landscaper, check out SW101 Rainbird solenoid wrench, custom designed to reach down in a sprinkler box and make turning a Rainbird solenoid a cinch. Be sure to visit arbiterbackflow.com for more details on these and other testing tools.